In this video, I'll show you how to handle EU withdrawal requests for guest orders in WooCommerce. This is especially important because many stores allow guest checkout, and those customers do not have access to the My Account area. With SDP EU Withdrawal for WooCommerce, guest customers can still submit withdrawal requests securely. Let's see how this works. First, go to the plugin settings. Open the General Settings section. Here you can enable guest order support. Once enabled, guest customers will receive secure access to the withdrawal workflow. Now let's look at the order email the customer receives. I'll open the email log so we can inspect the message. Here is the order email sent to the guest customer. As you can see, it includes a secure withdrawal request link. This allows the customer to access the workflow without creating an account. Let's open that link. Here, the guest customer can access the withdrawal request page securely. The process is simple and practical. They can review the order details and submit the request directly. No account login required. No manual email exchanges. Now let's switch to the admin side. When a withdrawal request is submitted, the store administrator receives a notification. You can also identify affected orders directly from the WooCommerce orders list, where a review action becomes available. Let's open the order we just used. Inside the order screen, you'll also see a notice about the withdrawal request. Click to review it. Now you can review the customer information, the linked order, request details, and request history. From here, you can approve or reject the request with a single click. Customer notifications are handled automatically. This creates a much cleaner workflow than handling withdrawal requests manually through email. And because guest customers use secure access links, the process remains practical without compromising access control. If your WooCommerce store allows guest checkout, this can be an essential part of your withdrawal workflow. That's how you can handle guest EU withdrawal requests in WooCommerce using SDP EU Withdrawal for WooCommerce.